Good day, everyone. This is Sir June, your math teacher for today. So our lesson for today, class, will be all about fractions and division. Before we'll start our discussion for our lesson today, class, allow me to tell and enumerate first to you the learning outcomes of our lesson today. So the first learning outcome, class, students should know how to associate fractions with division. The second learning outcome, class, students should know how to express improper fractions as whole numbers, mixed numbers, or decimals. The third learning outcome, class, is students should know how to solve word problems. This slide, class, we will be learning here on how to associate fractions with divisions. As you see here, we have your three waffles. So each waffle will be divided into four equal parts. So we need to share these three waffles equally among the four children. So what we'll do first is to divide each waffle into four equal parts. So we have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now after that, we're going to distribute now the slices to the four children. So we have the four kids. Then now each child receives a 3/4 of a waffle. So if we're going to divide also class the 3 divide by 4 equals a 3/4. So our numerator is 3 simply because each child receives 3/4 of a waffle. And this one, our denominator is 4 because there are 4 children. This one's class, this slide, we'll be learning more here on how to write the fraction from this picture. So we have here 5 waffles, so 5 pictures of waffles. So what we'll do here is to divide each waffle into 4 equal parts. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. As you see, now divided into 4 equal parts. So what we'll do next here, class, is we're going to distribute now the slices to the 4 children because we need to share the 5 waffles to equally among the 4 children. So now here, these are the children, the 4 kids. So we're going to count now the slices each child receive here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now, class, each child receives 5/4 of a waffle. So if we're going to divide it 5 divided by 4 equals, the answer here is 1 and 1/4. Okay, so let us now proceed on the next slide. So here is another way to show that 5 divided by 4 equals 5/4 or 5/4. So what we're going to do here, class, is we're going to divide the 5 and 4. So we can use the long division method. So our numerator is 5 and our denominator is 4. So what we'll do, our numerator will become our dividend and our denominator will become our divisor. So 5 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. So let's minus this one. 5 minus 4 equals 1. So when we're going to write this into mixed number or mixed fraction, we're going to write this quotient will be our whole number and our divisor will become our denominator and our remainder here will become our um, numerator. So the answer here, class, is 1 and 1/4. So this slide, class, we'll be learning here on how to express improper fractions as whole numbers or mixed numbers. So express 11/4 or 11/4 as a mixed number. So there are two methods in finding the answer. The first one is we're going to divide this 11 divided by 4. So we have here uh, 8/4 plus 3/4 and 8 divided by 4 equals 2 and copy the 3/4. Then if we're going to put together that, the answer will be 2 and 3/4. And the method 2, class, is we're going to use the long division method. So what we'll do here is we're going to divide now the 11 divided by 4. So the answer here is 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. So let's subtract. So 11 minus 8 equals 3. So the answer here, class, our quotient will become our whole number and our 3 remainder number left over will become our numerator. And then the 4, our divisor, will become our denominator. So the final answer is 2 and 3/4. So the same only for the method 1. So we have your, class, in the next slide. So dividing whole numbers to get mixed numbers. So express the value of 22 divided by 8 as a mixed number. So again, we have two ways to find the answer. So method 1, shows here 22 divided by 8 equals 2 and 6 8. So what we'll do here is to use the long division method. So we have here 22 divided by 8. 22 is our um, dividend, and then 8 is our divisor. So 22 divided by 8 equals 2. 2 times 8 equals 16. And let's minus that. The answer is 6. So what will be the missing number here? So our whole number, as you see that, that's come from our quotient here on top. And now our numerator there is 6 because this 6 is our remainder. So that will be our numerator. And our denominator there is 4. So actually, this one, the original is 8. So what we'll do is to uh, reduce into lowest term. So 8, 6 over 8. So 8 and 6, 6 over 8 are both divisible by 2. So 6 divided by 2 equals 3, and 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So the final answer here is 2 and 3/4. So we need to express the answer in its simplest form, class. So don't forget that. In method 2, we need to divide now 22 divided by 8. So what we'll do here is 22 over 8. So we can find the simplest form. So 2 is a common factor of 2 and 8. So 22 divided by 2 equals 11. Okay? And then 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So 11 divided by 4, we can do that in simplest form, divide 22 and 8 by 2. So we have now 11 over 2. So what we'll do next is to divide now 11 divided by 2. So the final answer there will be 2 and 3/4. The same only for the method 1. This slide, class, we'll be learning here on how to express improper fractions as decimals. So we have here express 11 over 6 as decimal rounded to 1 decimal place. So 11 over 6, so divide this one. So 11 divided by 6, the answer will be 1.8. And we can also do this one in long division method. So we have here, we need to divide now this 11. 11, this divided by 6 equals 1. 1 times 6 equals 6. So minus 11 minus 6 equals 5. And we need to bring down one more 0. So 50 divided by 6 equals 8. So 8 times 6 equals 48. So minus. And we have here 50 minus 48 equals 2. And bring down 0. And 20 divided by 6 equals 3. 3 times 6 equals 18. So 20 minus 18 equals 2. Now, divide the two decimal places, then round the answer to the one decimal place. So the estimated here, class, is 1.83 is approximately 1.8. So we need to round up. So remember the round down, round up numbers. So take note, class, that to change the symbol from equal to becomes approximately. So we have this one is equal to and this one is approximate symbol. That ends our video tutorial, class. I hope this video lesson helps you a lot in understanding our lesson today. So thank you so much once again, class, for watching our my video, and I hope that you won't forget to subscribe my channel and also to watch all the videos here in my channel. Thank you so much. Stay safe and healthy. God bless. Bye.